Set up Git on the Jupyter Hub so it knows who we are. So you're going to go to the Jupyter Hub website. It's snowx.uwhackweeks.2i2c.cloud, and then log in. It's going to ask for your GitHub username and password. Don't need that. Okay. It's going to ask server options. Just pick the small. Start. And it's going to start up your server. I recently had one started up, so it's going to go fast. First time you do it, it'll take a little longer, but just be patient. It'll chug along. This should be the first page that you see, and we want to click the terminal. There we go. The first command we want to give to Git is tell it who we are, so that when we do commits, so we'd make a change and we commit that to the repository, it knows who's doing it. So we say git config global user.name and then your name. Next one, we want to configure it with the email. There we go. Next is, you don't really have to worry about what this is doing. It's telling it how we're going to be doing the merges, you know, how we pull in changes from a remote repository. You can read about this on the Jupyter book if you want. There we go. And then last one, and this is really important. We need to tell it to remember our username and password that we're going to be entering in the next step, because otherwise every time we do a push, it's going to ask us for a username and password, and that is just going to be a hassle. So we definitely want to tell it. Store. Okay, so we're telling it what helper to use. We're on the type of operating system we have. It's called Store. If you were on a PC or a Mac, which you're not, it would be something different. Okay, that's it. All right, you're done. You have set up the first part of Git. Next video, I'll show you how to input your credentials. That means your username and password.